Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to create Zoho Invoices. First, log into your Zoho Books or Zoho Invoice account. Once logged in, navigate to the Invoices module, usually found on the left-hand side of your dashboard. This is where all your invoicing activities are managed. Then, simply click on the prominent New Invoice button to begin the process of drafting a fresh invoice for your client. Next, you'll need to select the customer for whom you are creating this invoice. You can either choose from your existing client list or quickly add a new contact if they are not yet in your system. After that, fill in essential details like the invoice date, the due date for payment, and the specific payment terms, such as net 30 or due on receipt. Finally, add each line item, including a clear description, the quantity, and the rate. Now it's time to customize your invoice. You can apply any applicable discounts, add sales taxes, or include shipping charges to the total amount. Before finalizing, always take a moment to preview the invoice. This ensures all details are accurate and presented professionally. Once satisfied, you have options. Save it as a draft, send it directly to your client via email, or schedule it for automatic delivery at a future date. Zoho Invoice offers several advanced options to streamline your billing. You can attach important documents, like contracts or project specifications, directly to the invoice, or add private notes for your client's reference. For services billed regularly, consider setting up recurring invoices to automate the process, saving you valuable time each month. Also, for those who love to read, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. It's perfect for reading anywhere.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.